a guide you to change cover photo on Instagram reel after posting. So if you need to change the cover photo over the reel after posting, so let's see, go to the profile. Here if you scroll, you can find all the reels or the posts that you have shared. You can tap on that reel and here you can find top three dots. If you tap there, you can find edit option over there. So you can tap on edit. There on the edit info, here you can see the edit option over the picture. If you tap on edit, then this will give you the ability that you can edit the cover, or you can crop the profile image, or otherwise you can add it from camera roll. So if you tap on add it from camera roll, then you can select the photos where you need to add a different cover photo, or otherwise you can crop this profile image like this. If you tap on done, and that image will be displayed. This is how you can change cover photo on Instagram reel after posting. Thank you.